Gizmo being bad. You like that? You like Raisin Bran? This is her second bowl. It's your second bowl this morning. Uh-oh, your milk's running down your arm. Better eat it. You better eat it. There you go. Yummy. Shh, buddy. Shh. Gizmo is whining. Hush. That's right. No, no, buddy. No whining. Let's get a close up here. Like Raisin Bran? Good stuff, isn't it? Is that good? Good job. Good job.